BDO Savings Account, how to open BDO ATM account. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. So, bala ko ngayon mag-open ng BDO Savings Account and meron silang dalawang option to open an account. Yung first option is mag-fill out ka muna ng form online dito sa website nila. Later, ipapakita ko yung form na yon and kung anong details yung kailangan i-provide. While yung second option is yung traditional way. Pupunta ka sa branch mismo and dun ka na lang mag-fill out ng form. Sa branch, pwedeng ipagawa din nila sa inyo yung pag-fill out ng form online or pwedeng manual, like isusulat mo yung details mo manually sa forms na ibibigay nila. Ang catch pag manual, mas madami ka daw i-fill out na form pag hindi ka nag-online. Yun yung sabi sa amin ng bank officer from BDO. So, it's up to you kung gusto mo muna mag-online or diretso ka na sa branch and dun ka na mag-fill out ng form. For this process, ang gagawin natin is yung online muna. So, dito sa video, makikita mo na yung mga details na kailangan i-provide like personal info, mother's maiden name, and more. So, let's proceed and open an account. So, andito ako sa website ng BDO. That's www.bdo.com.ph. Then, dito on the left-hand side, click Account. Then, click How to open an account. So, here's the process. First, fill out the online form. Sabi nila it will only take 15 minutes, pero syempre depende sa yun. First step 2, select your preferred BDO branch and the date and time of your visit. So, pipiliin natin later on kung saang branch and kailan ko gustong pumunta para isubmit yung mga requirements, which is yun yung third step. Complete your application by submitting your requirements at your chosen branch. So, ito yung requirements. Minimum initial deposit and 2 valid ID. For valid IDs, ito yung list ng IDs na ina-accept ni BDO. So, almost lahat dito is government ID. Of course, except for school ID para sa mga minors. And for minimum deposit account, let's click this peso savings account since ito yung gusto kong i-open. I want to open a ATM savings account, so I'll click Learn More. So, ito yung minimum initial deposit, 2,000 pesos. And ito yung ibang details niya. So, balik ako dito sa How to open an account. And I'll start my application now. So, I'll click this button, Start Application Now. And I'll scroll this down. So, I'll click this CAPTCHA. And select all images with crosswalks. So, ito siya. And click Verify. And I'll check this. You have the option to read this, by the way. Medyo mahaba-haba siya. For my case, I'll go ahead and click I have read and understood the terms and conditions declared herein. So, I click I agree. And please select 1. I am opening a BDO account for the first time. I am an existing BDO customer with online banking account. I am an existing BDO customer without online banking. Sa case ko, first time ko mag-open ng BDO account. So, I'll click this and click Next. And here's the part na kailangan kong i-fill out yung details. So, current locations, currently I'm here in the Philippines. And then deposit account product. So, select ko dito is maraming accounts dito. Depende kung ano yung gusto nyo and kung ano rin yung kailangan nyo. I want a regular ATM savings account. So, I'll click this. So, sa ATM savings account, we can withdraw cash and pay bills via ATMs. Cashless din yung pag-shopping and pag-dining by using the BDO ATM card. Pwede rin mag-fund transfer using BDO online banking facility. And again, ito yung pinakita ko kanina. Ang minimum initial deposit is 2,000 pesos. So, for BDO branch, syempre, ang pipiliin ko is yung pinakamalapit sa akin. And then, booking date. So, earliest time nila is 11 a.m. So, I'll pick this 11 o'clock. And click Next. So, ang pinili ko is yung bukas agad. Today is 17. So, I'll scroll this down. So, here's the part na kailangan ko ilagay yung information ko, yung personal information, Ito yung same details na kailangan nyo i-provide sa BDO in case na hindi kayo mag-online muna. So, I'll go ahead and complete this form. So, dito yung address ko. So, kung yung present address mo is same with permanent address, check this. If not, let's say, nag-rent ka temporarily sa isang location, pero yung permanent address mo is ginagamit mo yung sa parents mo since umuwi ka doon weekends, pwede mong gawin yon. So, iba't ibang case kung bakit magkaiba yung present address sa permanent address. So, I'll have it checked. Same lang yung present address ko sa permanent address. And date of birth. And here are the birth details. For TIN, required dito na lagyan ng details. Pero let's say wala ka pang TIN number, especially for students. You can enter here NA. Parang ganyan. Pero sa case ko, maglalagay ako ng TIN number. For ID, I'll pick here passport. And the identification number ng passport ko. Scroll down lang tayo. Identification expiration date. For contact information, it will ask for telephone or landline number, mobile number, and email address. So, importante na active yung mga ilalagay mo ditong details. And for additional information, it will ask for mother's full maiden name. So, yung pangalan niya nung dalaga siya. So, nagka-error ako na invalid telephone number. So, puntahan ko yun. Maximum of 13 characters. Kung wala naman talaga landline number, ano ilalagay ko rito, diba? So, I'll click next. So, meron ditong reference number. It's important na to take note of this reference number since yung details na save dito is magiging draft pa siya. You may retrieve this draft or this data within 7 calendar days by clicking Continue Draft found in the homepage section. And then code the reference number, which is this one. That's why it's important. So, scroll down. So, kompletuhin ko lang din tong details na to. And they're asking for existing BDO accounts that you have or other bank accounts that you have. So, I'll just complete these details and click next. So, I got an error, indicate name of other banks. Only numbers and letters are allowed. So, walang special characters. So, click next. So, nasa step 4 na tayo, attachment na ng details. So, I'll upload the file here. The file types should be BMP, GIF, JPEG, or PDF file, as well as PNG, TIFF, and JPG. So, I'll click Choose File, and click Next. So, for step 5, online banking enrollment. So, during BDO account opening, gagawa ka na rin ng online banking account mo. So, let's complete these details. So, here are the reminders. User ID must be 18 to 15 characters. No special characters. Here's for the password. Also for this. So, I'll just enter here my desired user ID. Ako gagawa ng sarili kong user ID. And also all these details ko, kumpletuhin ko din. So, the password matched. And for challenge question, importante na matatandaan mo yung sagot sa security question mo or else magkakaroon ka ng problema next time in case na kailangan mong i-update yung password mo or ibang details mo sa online banking account mo sa BDO. And another question. And click next. And for the final step or step 6, confirmation. So I'll check my details here. So everything is correct naman. So for preferences, I agree that this shall serve as my application for issuance of a BDO credit card. No, I don't want to apply for a credit card. Would you like to receive updates on our promos, products, events, etc.? So for now, I'll leave this unchecked. It's up to you if you want to check this. So scroll down ko. So you may present BDO online application number and 2 valid IDs to your selected branch. You may be required to sign forms as supplement to your application. So pagpunta ko sa BDO, ipapakita ko yung reference number ko. And then, magpo-provide din ako ng 2 valid ID, which is yung pinakita ko kanina, yung mga passport, SSS, TIN, and may mga forms din akong fill upan or i-complete. Possible, yun yung pag-signature verify. And I'll also provide the minimum initial deposit, which is 2,000 pesos for this type of account. And I'll click submit. So here's the confirmation. Thank you for your submission. Application number is this one. So meron akong reference number, meron din ako application number. So better yet, isave ko yung dalawa para pagpunta ko sa branch bukas, kung alin man yung tanong ngayon sa dalawa, I can provide that info right away. So, since natapos ko nang gawin yung form online, pupunta na ako sa branch para ma-open yung account. Nung pagpunta ko sa branch and nabigay ko na yung mga requirements ko, umabot din ng almost 1.5 oras para makapag-open ng account. Medyo nagloko din kasi yung device nila sa pag-capture ng photo. So, hindi na nila ako pina-fill out ng form about personal details kasi nga nagawa ko na yun online. Ang ginawa nila is pinrint nila yung form na pinilapan ko online and pinapirma na lang sa akin. And also, part ng process is pinapirmahan din sa akin itong mga forms na to. Signature card, KYC supplemental form, terms and conditions of biometrics, kasi nga kukunan ka ng fingerprint, and also important reminders about account opening. And then, binigay ko na yung ID ko, as mentioned earlier, 2 valid ID. Hiningi din pala nila yung company ID ko. Sila na yung nag-photocopy nun, so hindi na ako kailangan mag-provide ng photocopy ng kahit anong ID. And kinunan din ako ng picture, so hindi ko na kailangan mag-submit ng 1-by-1 photo. Doon na sa branch pipicturan and kinunan na din ng fingerprints. And also, nagbigay na din ako ng 2,000 pesos for the initial deposit. Ito yung deposit slip. Dapat may copy ka nito as proof ng pag-deposit mo. And then, nag-advise sila na 5 banking days pa makiklaim yung mismong ATM card. Pag sinabing banking days, hindi kasama yung weekends, which is Saturday and Sunday, and hindi rin kasama yung holiday. So, sa next video namin, ipapakita namin yung next step. Doon ko na i-claim ipapakita ko doon yung pag-claim ng ATM card and also yung pag-change ng PIN for the first time. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. You may also check these videos. I hope na makatulong to sa inyo, especially if you want to grow your money. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.